The next part is to actually test the students' understanding of whether the cups are empty by taking some water and pouring it into each cup, asking them to listen and observe whether the cups are empty. So I'll pour a little bit of water in each. So I poured a little bit of water into each, and if you could hear closely, there was a slight difference in sound between each cup. That might give them some hint as to whether or not the cups were empty. After, you take a glass and you say, well, if the cup was empty, what will happen if I turn it upside down? And then you say, oh, the water will come out. So I will show you what happens when each cup is emptied. You take A. Was this cup empty? And they'll say yes, that cup was empty, and we can put it back in place. Cup B. Was this cup empty? They can observe that it sounds different and it pours differently. And then we take the last cup. Wait a minute. Now, the last cup is in my hand. See? And I will show. Pouring over the top, right? Nothing comes out. And you probe that conversation. That cup is actually filled with sodium polyacrylate, which on a white bottom cup, it still looks empty. You show them each cup. For example, cup B. They can see that there was tissue paper in here. Cup A was in fact empty. B, tissue. And then they look and they're saying, wait a minute, that still looks empty. Well, if it was empty, I can add more water and observe what happens. You can see in the video how the water is being absorbed. So I've added more water and try and pour it again. Nothing comes out. Add more water. You can see in the video the water is absorbed. Try to pour it out. Nothing comes out. As a matter of fact, once you get to that point, you can look at the cup and have them come and feel it. It creates a gel. And this salt, sodium polyacrylate, is widely available in diapers, as a matter of fact. If you have a diaper and you feel a little graininess in the diaper, that is the salt that's in diapers. So it is safe for children, just not safe for them to eat. And it's widely available in many chemical solutions. Or chemical stock areas. I actually ordered this from eBay, and I got this big bag for like $5. So that is the science. Now let's talk about the scripture.